If you're watching this video, more than likely that means that somebody has taken one of your videos and used it on their channel, and you would like them to take it down. Now, doesn't matter whether they use 5% of the video or 100% of the video, you have the option to go ahead and ask YouTube to take down the video. But you also have another option, which is reach out to that individual themselves. Whether or not you decide to contact the actual channel itself or just have YouTube take down the video is completely up to you. All you have to do is go to copyright section on YouTube Studio. Now, in order for you to get to this, you cannot use YouTube Studio app on your phone. If you're trying to do this on your phone, what you need to do is go to a web browser, something like Google Chrome, Safari, Brave. Sign into YouTube Studio from there. Once you sign into YouTube Studio, what you can do is go to copyright on the tab. So clicking on that, we can go ahead and see matches right here. And these are some videos that YouTube has found itself that are my videos that somebody has used. If you don't have anything here, you still have the option to go to removal request. And then you can go ahead up to the top right. You see that there's new removal request and start a new request right here. So you don't have to wait for YouTube to find something for you. Clicking on this, you can see there has a couple of different sections. So first off, going to here, videos requested for removal. You can go ahead and add a video. What you'll need to do is select the type of work. And let's go ahead with a video and then go with a subcategory. And I'm gonna just go ahead and say internet video, and then the source of my content is from my YouTube channel, but you can go ahead and say another one I legally represent or from outside YouTube, it doesn't matter. And go down to copyright owner, and you can say the affected party is myself, or you can say it's your company. And then you go down to the copyright owner name, phone, the primary email, secondary email, relationship with the copyright content, the country, and so on and so forth. You just fill out the rest of this list, go down to removal options. You can see that you have two options for removal. You can do the standard 7-day notice, which gives the said channel 7 days to remove the video. And if they don't, then YouTube will remove it themselves. And then you have the standard request, which means that YouTube will start the process right now, and said channel could end up getting a copyright strike. You can check this box to prevent copies of these videos from appearing on YouTube going forward. Last but not least, you have the legal agreements. Sign your name, and then you go ahead and press submit up here. But I don't have to do a new removal request because I got plenty that I could choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and continually to discard this. And going back from removal request, I'll go to matches. Now you can see on the channel, I got some of these that are my own name because I decided to take some of these from this channel and put on a different channel. So what I want to do is I can go ahead and click several of these that have my name on it by checking the box beside it. And then I can go ahead and archive these because I don't need to do a request removal. Now I got 4 left from some people that I don't know. So let's go ahead and go to the one at the top. You can see this has 60 views. It has been up here for over a year actually. So what I could do is I could go ahead and move this to the archive. I can go ahead and request the video removal, or I can go ahead and contact the channel. What I want to do is go ahead and request a video removal. And you can see it's basically the exact same that you saw before. The only difference is I don't have to actually add in a video myself. So they see the video down here, and as far as this particular infringing content is basically 100% of the actual video. So in other words, they just took my video and put it on their channel. So going down, as I already said before, affected party is myself. Copyright owner name is me, Avery Harris. Phone required, I'll put that in later. The country, As far as removal options, I will give them 7 days to go ahead and take down the video. And I'll also go ahead and check this box and certify that I have worldwide exclusive rights to this content, which I'm requesting moving forward. Yes. And I have good faith. All the legal requirements, legal agreements, I'm going to go ahead and check those and then sign my name at the bottom. So the last thing I need to do is enter my phone number and relationship with copyright infringement, all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and do that and then press submit. After I press submit, it takes me right back to the matches tab. And you can go to the removal request tab, and you can see that now this has been added over here and it's now in progress. So the last thing I want to go ahead and do, going back to matches, is I want to go ahead and try to contact the channel. So once you press on this, what you see here is you have the option to put in your email address, but the actual email itself is coming from YouTube team at google.com. You cannot change what's in the lettering. Instead, what this does is that it gives them an option to reach out to you. Right here, the channel has provided an email address in case you would like to start a conversation. Your email address will go right here. You don't even get to see their email address because their email address is sitting, as you can see up here. If you go ahead and send it, then, like I said, that gives them an option to reach out to you. Maybe you'll get somebody to contact you, maybe you won't. And if they don't contact you, then you have other options. Now you can see that this is a pretty simple process to do in order to do a copyright claim for your stuff to make sure that you're protected. But let's say you didn't really want to have them remove your content off their channel. You would have rather had been able to do ad revenue sharing from their channel. So a portion of whatever they make goes to you. Now that is content ID. So that's separate from copyright claims. I will go ahead and make a separate video on content ID a little bit later so you know exactly what you can do with that. If there's enough viewers that's watching this that really wants content ID, you know, that type of information, then I'll go ahead and, I guess, quicken the process to get that video out. But, you know, if not, I'll do it eventually, right? So with that being said, let me know in the comment section, did this help you out? Was copyright claim what you were looking for, or were you looking for content ID stuff so you could go ahead and make money off of other people's channels? Let me know in the comment section below. So with that being said, thanks for watching.